How to remove audio from video using InShot editor. Now this process is super easy. Just simply open InShot and go to the video editing section. Then import the video clip where you want to remove the audio, and after that you just simply need to select the video clip, and there are few ways to do it. First one is directly tapping into this mute clip, and the clip will completely be muted and audios will be gone. You are congratulated, and you can do other process such as adding music into the background. Otherwise, you can just simply tap into the audio section and select the video clip from here, and you can adjust the volume from here. You can keep it to absolutely zero, or if you just want to remove some noise and stuff, you can use this denoise button to remove noise or the background disturbance. You can use this denoise option. Now just simply tap to this check button and the video's audio will be gone. Or if you want to do it to the separate parts of the video but not entirely to whole video, you can just simply split the video where you want to remove the audio and where you don't want to. Now just simply unmute the clip. If you want to remove audio from some specific part of the video, just simply select the part where you want to remove the audio. Now select the audio like this, do similar process, remove the whole audio, and from this one clip the audio is completely gone, and into the other one there is still the audio that you need. Now this is how you basically remove the audio from a video. I hope it was helpful. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.